Hello viewers, today I'll discuss about another new Joomla module, and that is a responsive calculator. And if you check this is a nice responsive calculator. This module shows a nice responsive calculator on your Joomla website. It will show an feature it has. It will show a nice calculator. You can choose different templates, very easy to use, and the supported platform, it both Joomla 3 and Joomla 4 both supported by it. And just install it and it will start working. So if you click on demo, if you this one, you will see a demo like this. And if you click like this and just make sure 7 into 8, it is working with everything, like 7 plus 8. It is very nice and it's very gorgeous to look at. So if you install it, then you will get a option like calculator settings, and from here you will get calculator theme. There is different types of theme, default template, basic template. You can, so this is the basic template, this is the default template, and another template 2, template 3. So you can choose any of each template. You can choose font color, you can choose background color, I mean this is the background color, and you can choose button border color, you can choose button border color, and you can choose button busy color. And here is a section called the responsive options, and desktop container width, you just make sure 40 or 50 according to need. Table container width, you just have to put it. Mobile container width, you just keep it as same like this. Then you can go with calculator advanced settings. If you want to use animation, you just make sure any animation, otherwise you just make sure please select. By default it is fade in left. So another thing is custom CSS option. Still, if you need to do any customization with this template, you just have to make sure you use the custom CSS option. That's all. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.